If you suspect your dog has a urinary tract infection, you'll need to take them to a vet for diagnosis. AnimalWised explains how you can complement their treatment at home. Symptoms of urinary infection in dogs. Canine urinary infections are usually caused by bacteria which travel up the urethra and reach the bladder. Bladder infections are known as cystitis, and we will be able to observe symptoms such as increased frequency of urination, small amounts of urine being eliminated, pain when urinating, cloudy urine, blood in the urine, bad urine odour, fever, and even being unable to urinate at all. Treatment of urinary tract infections in dogs. Urinary infections are associated with the presence of bacteria. When these pathogens appear, the treatment requires administration of antibiotics. They can only be prescribed by a vet, so if you suspect that your dog has a urinary tract infection, you should go for a consultation as soon as possible. It is quite a painful disease for the animal, so we want to avoid this in our dog. The bacteria could also reach the kidneys through the ureters, considerably aggravating the problem. Once there are symptoms of cystitis, there is no home remedy for urine infection in dogs. While we administer the treatment prescribed by the veterinarian, we can talk about home treatment to complement the clinical action. They must also be taken into account if our dog suffers from recurrent urinary tract infections, so we can avoid relapses. Among these home treatments, we can find the following. Water. Correct hydration is fundamental in a properly functioning urinary system. For this reason, we have to ensure our dog drinks plenty of water every day. Always have clean, fresh water available. If we suspect their intake is insufficient, we can encourage hydration by making a homemade bone broth which is free of salt, garlic, and any other ingredient a dog should avoid. Discover the benefits of homemade dog food in the video we share on the card above. Blueberries. There is some evidence that phytochemicals in blueberries can help to protect against bacterial infection, although there is no conclusive evidence as to what extent this protection can be offered. Adding a few blueberries as a treat to a dog's balanced diet may be able to help their overall health. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is recommended because it has a protective effect on the urinary system by increasing the acidity of the urine. Kiwi or orange are some foods that contain a large amount of this vitamin. Like blueberries, we can give this type of food directly in pieces, in juice, or, if they reject it, adding a small amount to their water. Apple cider vinegar. Some evidence suggests this product may have some antimicrobial properties, so a small spoonful added to their water might help during clinical treatment. However, this should only be given if the veterinarian supports its use, as the dog may have some contraindication which makes it inappropriate. All types of infections need to be assessed by a vet. Providing our own treatment risks worsening the clinical picture. If you want to continue learning about other veterinary advice for dogs, don't miss the playlist we share here. Let us know your experience treating urinary infections in dogs by leaving a comment, and we'll see you next time.